Hello everyone, this is Seram Nyapika and here is a video to explain real-time Java programs which includes objects, class and method interaction between them. So the first program is library borrowing system. So this consists of three main classes: library member, which represents a member with an ID, name and a borrowing list with a limit of 5 books, and the other class is book, which stores book title and contains book copy, which represents the physical copy of the book, and the last class is book copy, which tracks whether the copy is taken or not by whomever it may be taken. And once you run this program, the output would look like: the member named Thirumala borrows a book called Design Patterns in Java, and the system marks the book copy as taken. The program is library book renewal process. In this program, a library boundary acts as a user interface between the user and the system, and a controller handles the request logic and displays the borrowed books and also processes the selected books for renewal. And here is a register which stimulates finding the book and checks if it is reserved. In case it is reserved, it displays an apology or else it updates. Here is a class book which stores the title and reservation status and also updates when renewed, and also a class called library member which holds the member ID. And once you run this code, out it shows an output: borrowed book Java programming has been renewed and renewal confirmed. Third one is travel planning scenario. Here in this, the main class creates a client object which calls the plan method, and the client class prints the travel planning has started and creates a travel agent object and calls set itinerary to define the trip. And the travel agent class stimulates the route calculation and also prints the complete message. And once you compile it and run, the output may look like: client started planning travel and the itinerary set from Hyderabad to Delhi, calculating the optimal route, and the route calculation completed, and once it is done, it is tested. The program is course reservation. Here in this, like the previous one, the main class creates a client object and calls its plan method. The client creates a reservation form and submits a course selection. And once registration form holds a registration manager object, once submitting it creates a new student with the given name and a new course, then calls the manager to add the course. And this manager prints a confirmation message, and the student class stores the name, course and the course code. And once you compile it and run, the output is shown like: the course registered successfully for the student with the associated name is displayed. Program is library book renewal process. In this, main class creates a library boundary object which prints that the user initiated the renewal, and then the controller creates a member object, library member object, for the given code, finds their borrowing list and processes the selected books. If the book is selected already or reserved already, it displays an apology and stops, or else it updates and confirms the renewal. And the library book register stimulates finding the borrowing list. And once you run it, the output is displayed as: user initiated book renewal for the given code, borrowing list displayed, book data structures selected, renewal successful and confirmed. These are the 5 Java programs we have discussed above. Thank you.